So this is introduction for our project, and I will explain it by this diagram. But before that, I will tell you the problem statement that we have researched recently. So the first one is inconsistent data format and isolated system in clinic. Second, internal data exchange between clinic staff are susceptible to temporary and unauthorized access. The third one is weak data management frameworks and absence of secure audit trail. So we come up with this idea of project, which is healthcare data system with blockchain. We use healthcare data system as a prototype for us to implement the blockchain. So how the project run? So the first one, I will explain in admin perspective. So admin will add new data of the patient, and the data will key in by the system, and then the data will store in the blockchain, which is IPFS. IPFS will change the data from plain text to unique hash, which is CID, content identifier. Then the data that has been encrypted will store in Ganache. Later, when the admin wants to look back at the data, Ganache will return back the data that been encrypted to IPFS to decrypt back the data into plain text. Then admin can look back at the data, and admin can view, change, or edit the data.
First of all, click in new patient. Then fill in full name. IC number, gender, email address, phone number, and home address. After all of information filled, click on register patient. Now registration patient is successfully. In patient part, we will see the blockchain address for the patient recently. In this part, we can see there has been transaction from the website to database. Admin also can add an appointment for patient to meet the doctor. New appointment will be added in the scheduled appointment management.
So here we can see the difference. The appointment that have been completed by the doctor is the blue one. So this is the detail, and the yellow one has not been completed by the doctor, and here is the detail. So this is the dashboard for doctors. We can see there is a recent patient, recent activity. Then we go to the patient for doctor to confirm to meet the patient. Then doctor will add medical data. So doctor will add the diagnosis, the treatment, and also doctor will add doctor note in case there's something that doctor want to say to the patient. after the medical data is successfully added, we can see in here the example of medical data that already added by the doctors. After this, how we show to the audience about the encrypted data that has been stored at the blockchain is by display the dummy of the blockchain address. Then we will show how admin can look back at the medical data. We go to admin dashboard, click patient and choose icon I. Then we can see the medical data history.